This is Julie with Obesity is Not Me, and I want to talk about oils today because I'm very mad at the health food stores, healthy stores, like Whole Foods. Sorry, Whole Foods. I love you. You know I love you. I used to work for you. But if this is true about the canola oil, then it's very disturbing and very upsetting. This is the oil that I've used since my transformation. I was 65 pounds heavier. I've gained back a lot of the weight, but I've been using this oil for probably, I would say 10 years almost. So it's expeller pressed, non-GMO canola oil. And I thought that was a good oil until Thomas DeLauer came in. And I've heard it from other sources, and I'd be like, oh, I don't get the GMO oil. You know, I'm always like half listening because I'm like, I get the stuff. I get the expeller pressed. I get the, and it's inexpensive. So that leads me to believe, okay, it's probably not the best. So, I mean, the way he's talking, this is as bad as a trans fat, which I am so adamant about not eating. So I'm really kind of nervous about this one. Not nervous, but I guess I'm going to do more research, and I'm not going to touch it. See how much I have left? I'm not using this anymore, especially because right now I'm on day 12. I just did my day 12, and I'm down now 9 pounds, and I stopped using this. So that might be a big thing. This is another one of my favorite oils that they have. It's a Mediterranean blend, cold pressed olive oil, and it's very inexpensive too. This is like $3.50, that's why I love it. And it's got a great smoke point, which means that you can have high heat with this. This has a good smoke point. I sear stuff, so I use a cast iron. This is my favorite pan in the world. This is a Walmart pan that I bought probably 10 years ago, 10 years ago for $14. It's my cast iron, and I use everything. I make so much stuff with it. So it's a non-stick, so I need a good oil. So it would actually make sense that I gained all this weight back, and I'm not blaming just the oil because my brain wasn't there, but it would make sense that I ended up 50 pounds overweight because I do use a cast iron pan to cook a lot of stuff. Now this is kind of a crappy spray. It's got chemicals in it. I didn't read it because I wasn't paying attention. You know, sometimes I see olive oil cooking spray. This is awesome from Trader Joe's. This just has, it's Spanish olive oil. It's gonna cost a little more than this and not last as long. I guess I have, it's going forever. I used to have one of those pump ones, and I would put this in on the pump thing, but it never worked for me. It was awful. It like gooped, and it just didn't work. You know, it pumps out a little bit of spray of an olive oil. And okay, so due to Thomas's recommendation, I went ahead and got avocado oil. Now I've used it a couple times, and that's going pretty good. This was at Aldi's for $6.99. So, I mean, it's not, this is almost $6.99 for this whole thing of olive oil, but this, I need a higher smoke point, and he said that this is, it's almost double the size, so that makes sense. So I'm giving avocado oil a shot. I'm back to using some coconut oil. I've heard mixed things on that, whether it's a great fat or not, but I am back to using coconut oil. I used to use it and then I stopped. I don't know. I mean, it's not that I don't love it. Maybe it's just because it's so goopy. I don't know. And now this is interesting. This is Ghee, which I've never really played with Ghee yet. So this is only $5.99 at Aldi's. It's a very inexpensive Ghee. And I'm going to try to cook my husband's eggs with this. And I think he will really like it. Right now I'm doing hard-boiled eggs so that when he breaks his fast at work, because he's doing an 8-16 fasting, 16 hours eating for 8, so his breakfast is late, so I don't, and what I was doing, what every day I was doing, was making him his eggs with this oil. So, sorry honey, I might have been giving you unnecessary fat, which scares me. I'm gonna do a little more research on this, and Whole Foods, I'm gonna give you a call. I think I'm gonna call you in regards to this. I guess all the salad dressings have this oil in it. I guess it's really cheap, and that's why you're using it so much. So if that's true, you suck. Let me grab a salad dressing that I use. Let's take a look and see. I'm using this. Okay, Okay, this is a Trader Joe's. Okay, so Trader Joe's has. No, yay, Trader Joe's. This is olive oil in here. I love you, Trader Joe's. Can I tell you how much I love Trader Joe's? Go to Trader Joe's.